Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will see an explosion created entirely in Grasshopper. At the end of these three tutorials we will obtain something like this. First of all, before starting, I want to sorry for my English that is terrible and for my Italian accent that is terrible too. But I hope you enjoy the definition and the 3D modeling more than my spoken language. The model is entirely created on Grasshopper, but we need also of the plugin Voronoi. You can download this plugin from the Chaos Group website and you can try it for 1 month. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, tell me it. And please subscribe to my channel if you want to see further videos about animation and in general about 3D modeling and parametrical modeling. Let's start creating a sphere. We go to primitive sphere and we have a sphere. We define the center of the sphere, creating a point, vector, point, construct point, and we create a panel to give constant to the definition. So panel. On the right click we put multi-line data, we put 0 on it, and we give 0 to x, y and z. This will be the center of our sphere. Okay, now we create a bounding box which contains the sphere. So double click on the canvas, bounding box. This is our sphere. We have to define the geometry to contain. We put the output of our sphere in C. And this is our bounding box. Now we have this box, we can actually create a population of points. So we go on vector, grid, populate 3D. We assign the box to the container of these points, so we put it on R, and we create a slider with a large amount of values, so we put 1000 to define the number of points. Now we decrease this amount. Okay, now what we are going to do is to create a 3D Voronoi Tessellation of the space. So we create a Voronoi 3D is here, is a mesh triangulation Voronoi 3D. Okay, and we assign the output of populate 3D on Voronoi. Voronoi is evaluating, is creating this 3D Voronoi tessellation of the space based on our population of point. Now what's the point? We have to select the Voronoi 3D which are into the sphere. To do this we have to evaluate which one of this list of points, we have a point here, is inside the sphere. So we have to apply another component that is here, point in B reps. So not point in B rep, but point in B reps. We apply and we want to check which one of these points are into the sphere. So we take the sphere, we connect the output S to the B input of the B-rep sphere, and then we take our collection of points and we put on P. So the output will be a Boolean sequence of true and false. True means that the point is inside the sphere. False means means that the point is outside. So what we have to do now, we have to take this and select and dispatch the list and this dispatch has to be based on this list of Boolean. So what we can do now is to create a dispatch list. Sets list dispatch, and we take a list of geometry and we dispatch regarding this pattern. Okay, so we go to select our geometry and disable preview. So we have two lists of value here. We create a parameter who contain a B-rep. Okay, so if we want to see what is in A, what is contained in A, we have to link the output of A to a B-rep parameter, and we have to disable preview. Okay, this is our starting geometry.